Here at Arizona Hardwood Floor Supply, we are up to any challenge. On this particular project, we had clients who were converting their garage into a living room. Once they got all the drywall, electric, and air conditioning work done, we went in to see what needed to be done to flatten out the slope of the concrete so we could install engineered hardwood in the newly remodeled room. As the string and the transition to the doors show, we have quite a slope in the concrete to fix. We decided to use a combination of plywood, glue, and leveling compound to bring the floor into tolerance and marry the different heights together. We first glued and then fastened the plywood with screws to make up the most drastic height differences. Then we feathered out the leveling compound for the final touches. After the compound dried, we glued the floor direct to concrete using a urethane-based adhesive called Fortain LD for a secure application. In the end, our clients were ecstatic with the final outcome. To learn more, call us at 623-742-9663 or visit us online at azwood.com. Thanks for watching.